What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning New Perspective by Kahan, and this lesson is brought to you by the Jooba people, community that you can sign up to using links in the description. That is the reason why I'm doing this tutorial. Somebody suggested it on there, and then I thought, hey, come on, let's do the tutorial. It's a good song. So yeah, let's jump right in. So for the start of this song, we've got capo on the 10th fret, which is pretty intense, but I mean, it works. But for this tutorial, I'm actually going to move it over to the 7th fret, just to make it easier to teach. Okay. And we're doing the, if we did cap on the 10th fret and we use our chords in the key of G, then we're actually playing in the key of F. So that's the original key of the song. All right, let's go through the chords here. Basic G with the pinky on the 5th fret. And then the ring finger on the 3rd fret to kind of do that little riff. Let's get a bit of view here so you guys can see exactly the chords. And then the E minor, we do the same riff. C major 7, we don't do any riff. Now you can also play those chords like this. Not the way he plays it in the original, but I think it sounds a little bit better. And then I like to use this D over F sharp chord. I'll show you now where I like to use that. For the strumming pattern, we're going to stick with a straight down up pattern. Down up, down up, down up, down up. With an accent on the downbeats, not the downbeats, the backbeat. Down up, down up, down up, down up. Once you have that down, then you can start to kind of palm mute it and then play the strum pattern. So just like karate chop on the bridge, and then. If you want to pick the song, then this is the picking pattern. P, P, M, P, I, P, M. Getting a little too far ahead. The chord progressions for the song, there's only 3 different chord progressions. For the intros and verses, it's that one, G, E minor, C, D. Then for the pre-chorus, it's little C, so for the D over the F sharp, you can play actual D over F sharp, but the actual chord in the song is just a D. But the D at 11 thingy, this one. But I like to use the D over F sharp there. Now, if you download the PDF using the link in the description, you can get this perfectly accurate chord chart that I just edited from Ultimate Guitar. The one on Ultimate Guitar is not correct. This is the correct one. pre-chorus that you can see there, so that's not the D over F sharp, but I like to use that anyway, which you can always replace a D with a D over F sharp, especially when it's going from the 6th chord, the E minor, to the G. You can go. I like that a lot. So if I go, let's get drunk in the dirt, attention deficit kids in their gym clothes. That sounds better to me. I think so. Okay, but that's it for the pre-chorus. Simple. Then for the chorus. Oh crap! I need to add another page. There we go. Okay, for the chorus, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this time for the record now. It's at the intersection of the target. New perspective now. Wish I could shut it in a closet. Drag it back down. Sorry, I don't know the song that well. I just learned it yesterday. But there you have it. Simple song, picking pattern, really nice riff to mess around with. See you in the Jooba People community. Thanks so much for the suggestion. Let me just tell you who suggested the song. It is members, community. So I have a post on here that says song tutorials. Yep, there we go. And the person that suggested the song is who is it? Oh yeah, Gabriel. Great. Gabriel, thanks so much for the suggestion. I appreciate it. See you guys in the community.